This lesson is on using friendly numbers to add. Now, friendly numbers are just a strategy to add. Just like we can regroup, we can draw a picture, we can break apart the numbers. It's just another strategy. And by friendly, I mean we're going to make the numbers easy to work with. So we're going to round them up to their tens. So let's go ahead and work through the first problem together. Here we have 78 plus 67. Now I'm going to make the number 78 friendly by adding 2 to 78 and making it 80. And I'm going to put plus 2 over here to remind myself that I added 2, because 80 is an easier number to work with because it ends in a 0. 67 I'm going to make friendly by adding 3, where the 67 becomes a 70. Now, when you go to add 80 plus 70, you can do that in your head because they end in 0. I know that 0 plus 0 is 0, and 8 plus 7 is 15, so I know that's 150. But we're not done with the problem yet. The answer is not 150 because remember up here, we added these ones. Now, the ones that you added here, you have to take away from the answer to get your final answer. So this was really plus 5. So down here, we actually have to take away 5, which is so easy to do in our heads too, because we know 150 minus 5 is 145. So there's our answer using friendly numbers. Let's try another one. We have 59 plus 38. Well, let's make 59 friendly by adding 1, where the 59 becomes a 60. And let's make 38 friendly by adding 2, because that becomes 40. And we know that 60 plus 40 is 100. See, these are real easy numbers to work with. Now remember, this 3 that I added, I have to take away from this answer. So 100 minus 3, we can do in our head, that's 97. So our answer is 97. Let's try another one. 62 plus 48. So let's add 8 here. Oops. And make 62 70. And let's add 2 here and make 48 50. Well, I know that 70 plus 50 is 120. Now remember, these numbers here that we added, 8 plus 2 is 10, we added up 10, we have to take away from the answer. So 120 minus 10 is 110. There's our answer. Let's try another one. 75 plus 85. Well, let's make 75 friendly by adding 5, so the 75 becomes an 80. And let's make 85 friendly by adding 5 as well, so the 85 becomes a 90. Well, 80 plus 90, we can do in our head, is 170, because 0 plus 0 is 0, and 8 plus 9 is 17. Now remember, what we added up here, we have to take away from over here to get our final answer. So this was 10 that we added, so we're actually going to take away the 10. 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6, we bring down our 1. So our answer is 160. Let's try one more. 29 plus 57. Well, 29 is really easy to make friendly because you're just going to add 1. So the 29 becomes a 30. And the 57 is easy to make friendly because you're going to add a 3. 57 plus 3 is 60. Well, 30 plus 60 is easy to work with. We can do that in our head, and we know that that equals 90. Now, these digits that we added over here would be equal to adding 4. Now we need to subtract 4. And we know that 90 minus 4 is 86. So our answer is 86. So that is the end of our lesson today on using friendly numbers to add.